သမီးခိုင်ဆန်ဒီကိုကောင်းဝင်ရှင်တဲ့အာမီကောင်းစဉ်ကတော့ Happy Happiness for Healthy Living ဖြစ်ပါရရှင်။ Good morning to our honorable executives, respected teachers, and all my fellow friends. My name is Wan Khai Saniko. I am with Refresh students and I'm here for Academy English Mathematics. It's truly an honor to stand here today and share my ideas in this important talk conversation. The topic I received is healthy habits for healthy living. Healthy habits are very important for a healthy and long life. They help us stay strong, feel good, and avoid many diseases. We should follow them to live a healthy and long life. One of the most important healthy habits is eating good food. We should eat fruits, vegetables, and meat, and we can also eat other nutritious foods. Many sweets and too many sweets and junk are not good for our health. Drinking enough water every day is also very important. And another healthy habit is exercising. We can walk or run, and we can do sports like swimming, cycling, play football or badminton. And then we can do yoga to keep our body fit and active. And staying strong is good for our health. And we should stay healthy. For healthy, we can stay clean. We should brush our teeth twice a day, take a bath every day, and wash our hands before and after eating. And another healthy habit is sharing food and kind to others. We can enjoy our hobbies, and we can also spend with our families and friends. In conclusion, healthy habits are exercising, eating well, staying clean, and spending with our families. And we should follow them and live a better life. Well, this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for your kind and patient attention. If you have any questions, your questions are very welcome.
What kind of healthy habits is good for your mind? What kind of healthy habits is good for our mind? Good for our mind.
Thank you for your question, Richard. Sleeping enough is good for our mind because our body and mind need rest.
Okay, thank you. So can I ask one more question? What kind of healthy habits is good? What kind of healthy habits has been good?
I sometimes do exercise and like walking.
Definitely. Okay, here. Want to be avoid drinking alcohol and sugar drinks.
Thank you for the question because drinking alcohol is not good for our health and it's really bad for our body.
How about energy drinks? How about energy drinks? Sugar drinks.
drink it sometimes. Can drink it always because it is has salt and little sugar.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, the next question for you. What and hiking habit you do?
And I sometimes eat canned foods and cold drinks.
Okay, thank you, Lydia.